Friends, I am Anil Kumar. Today I am going to speak about reading benefits. What are all the reading benefits I am going to explain through this video. There are plenty of benefits we can get from the reading. Among some of the few benefits I am going to explain through this video. Through this reading, we can improve our knowledge. Knowledge is very important in day-to-day life. Without knowledge, we cannot able to grow in any field. Knowledge is very important. Through this knowledge, we can grow like anything and any field. Through this reading, we can improve our memory. Memory is very important in our day-to-day life. Without memory, we can not improve in any field. With help of memory, we can improve a lot in any field. We can able to grow. Through this reading, we can get very good memory. Through this reading, we can get very good concentration. Concentration is very important to achieve any kind of goal. Concentration is very important. Without concentration, we cannot achieve our goal in our day-to-day life. It is very important. Through this reading, we can get very good concentration. Through this reading, we can get very good communication skill. Communication, as you are aware, communication is very important in your life. Without good communication skills, we cannot able to grow in any organization, or we cannot able to grow in any kind of field. So communication is very much essential for everybody. So that is the reason reading will boost you to get a good communication skills. It is very much essential to read at least minimum 1 hour a day to improve your communication skills. Through this reading, you can improve your vocabulary and grammar. In this communication, vocabulary and grammar is very important. With through the help of reading, we can improve our vocabulary and grammar. Definitely, we can able to improve through this reading. Through this reading, we can able to improve our analytical and decision making skills. Through this reading, we can improve our analytical skills. Our brain activities will be more and will be very much active and will be a dynamic in any field. With through this reading, we can get knowledge, we can get memory power, we can get concentration, we can get very good communication skills, we can get like analyticals and decision making skills. There are plenty of benefits we can get from the reading. So that is the reason is reading is very important. There are so many benefits we can get from the reading. So that is the reason highly successful people, they have adopted to read. They used to read a lot every day, at least minimum 4 to 5 hours a day they used to read. So that is the reason they have become very good successful in their life. Reading habit is a good habit for our mental health and our grow. It is very much essential. Without reading, we cannot able to improve our knowledge, we cannot able to improve our communication skills, we cannot able to improve our vocabulary and grammar, we cannot able to improve our analytical skills, we cannot able to improve decision making skills, we cannot able to improve. There are many things we cannot able to improve without reading. Through the help of reading, we can improve our knowledge, we can improve our skills level, we can improve our concentration level, we can improve our memory power, we can improve our conversation skills, we can improve our mental health, we can improve our sleep level, we can improve our mental health level. There are many things we can get the benefit from the reading. So that is the reason today I am making this video. Reading is a very good habit. Please adopt in your life at least minimum 1 hour a day, at least in the morning like 6 to 7. At least please adopt a reading habit of uh, to read at least minimum 1 hour a day, like good books, whichever you feel. Please read. You can improve your communication skills. You can improve your life level. Please adapt in your life. Thank you.